morning, everyone. First of all, thank you, Celeste team. I would like to say one thing. At IIT Kanpur, the technical festival was Techriti, and it was built through hard work of many such students with like 50 years of hard work. Then only Techriti was such a mega event for IIT Kanpur. The budget was around 4 to 5 crores. And I believe that Celeste, with the effort of all the teams of Celeste, it is going to be a mega event. It is now, and it is going to be much more mega event probably after 5 to 6 years. Okay. I really I'm grateful that you invited me for the guest lecture. I'm not so sure that how much I'm competent enough to give you a guest lecture, but I would try my best. I'm just in my budding phase of my career, and I would give one disclaimer that don't you dare to think that whatever I'm going to tell you today, I follow it everything. Okay, these are my ideas too. I'm as imperfect as you are, just little bit more experience in imperfection. Okay, so I thought, what would be the best way to give a guest lecture? Maybe I thought I could ask like questions from audience and I could give answers, but then I thought it would not be appropriate because it might limit whatever experiences that I want to tell you. So I would say something, whatever I've learned from my college life, from my preparation days, and then after that you can ask some questions. Okay. So first of all, one of the best learning that I had in my life is never compare yourself with your peers. It's not like you can't have any ideas. You must have ideas. In whatever field you want to excel in your life, have ideas. Okay. For example, some of you might be in computer science branch, have ideas that yes, one day I'm going to build a good startup, good company. But don't compare with your peers. Just think that some of you might be, a girl might be coming from the most backward areas of Bihar, and they came to IIT Patna, and some of you might be going to foreign universities also. So what happens when we start comparing ourselves with our peers and forget our roots? We forget that how much we have excelled in our life. Just imagine what used to happen in my college days. I also used to compare myself with other peers and I used to think, अरे यार मैं तो कुछ हूँ ही नहीं, मतलब लोग तो इतने ज़्यादा excel कर रहे हैं. But at the same time, I used to think कि यार मैं इतना backward area से यदि मैं IIT कानपुर पहुँचा हूँ, it must be something. I mean, to excel, to come, you must measure changes from your own self. Whatever your roots are, then only you can understand that you have a world full of opportunities. But when you start comparing with your peers, you limit yourselves. I'm pretty sure that some of your seniors might be discouraging in that way here also. कि यार सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में कुछ नहीं होगा, मटेरियल साइंस में कुछ नहीं होगा, एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग में कुछ नहीं होगा. It's not like that. Yes, civil engineering, if you just go outside or even in college, इतने बिल्डिंग्स बन रहे हैं, इतनी पॉसिबिलिटीज है सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में. सो आई नेवर इग्नोर्ड माय एकेडमिक्स. माय ऑप्शनल वाज आल्सो सिविल इंजीनियरिंग इन यूपीएससी. आई आल्सो डिड इंजीनियरिंग सर्विस एंड गेट ऑब्वियसली फॉर सिविल इंजीनियरिंग. एंड इवन नाउ व्हेनेवर आई सी एनी ब्रिज, एनी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, माय माइंड वुड जस्ट स्टार्ट वंडरिंग कि कैसे बना होगा. कोई सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट होंगे यहाँ पे? है कोई? ठीक है. इट्स अ ग्रेट ब्रांच. ओके. People might be discouraging, okay, कुछ नहीं होता इसमें, but just imagine. So what happens that people start comparing our success only from the amount of money that we start earning from right from our graduation. This is the only parameter of success. That's why we get discouraged. This is not the only parameter of success. Believe me. I mean, obviously, whoever is excelling by getting a huge amount of salary, by being in the best company, they are doing great work. I'm not saying that they are not doing great work. They are doing. But this is not the only parameter of success. Okay. If I am in government service, I'm an IAS officer, but that does not mean that I'll measure my success from money. I'll measure my success from how much I have brought change in people's life, how much I have changed people's life for better. This will be the parameter for success. Similarly, whoever wants to excel in civil engineering, their parameter will be what new they have created. See, money after a point of time is not that important. Only if you can use it in a proper way, then only its importance lies. Okay. So please promise from yourself that this should not be the parameter of success for you. It's not like it cannot be, but only to a certain amount. And after that, even some of you might go to Google. Okay. So will you measure your success by how much salary you are getting, or by what new products in which you have contributed? Google, I mean, almost every product of Google reaches to almost more than 1 billion users. So that is the parameter of success. If some of you might be working in some of the new products of Google, that should be the parameter, and it gives different kind of satisfaction, believe me. So again, the main point was never ignore your academics. Please do it carefully. After that, when you graduate from college, there will be many opportunities, but it will always be a strength for you. Involving yourself in academics, sports or extracurricular activities, time management would be very difficult. Sometimes you will feel यार कोई project complete नहीं हो रहा है, या फिर लग रहा है कोई एग्जाम में फेल कर जाएंगे. It will happen, believe me. Just persevere. Just pass. Let the time pass. I mean, I'm pretty sure that in the last semester, probably when the semester was ending, when your exam was happening, you might be very stressed. यार कहीं fail नहीं कर गया, ये नहीं कर गया. Maybe it happened. It can happen. But most of you must have passed that exam. और जो भी stress था उस point पे वो खत्म हो गया. You would not feel a thing about that stress. So perseverance is the key. Never give up. Just let it pass. Let's do things. यदि जाना है वहाँ पे जाओ, वहाँ पे complete करो project. Somehow it will get completed. If the exam is tomorrow, you have not read enough. Just give your time. Read. I mean, once you have to do the entire night out, you have to study for the entire night. Do it. It will feel great. I mean, even I remember in my third year, first semester, we had 6 courses. I was coordinator also of Adventure Sports Club. Along this hustle bustle, along these activities, please do not forget to enjoy your time. Please enjoy your time with friends. Have night outs. Go to movies. Please interact. We used to just ride our bicycles in the night. We used to roam around the entire campus. My campus was big, and today I realize that IIT Patna is also such a beautiful campus. Please roam around. Please have food. नहीं करते हैं, गप्पे मार रहे हैं रात भर, मजे कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? Please do it. These are memories that will build. And have a good network with your seniors. जितने भी मतलब especially I enjoyed the culture of IIT Kanpur. There was no distinction between seniors juniors. Just a healthy amount of respect. We did not used to say sir. We just used to say any seniors by name. It was such a healthy culture at IIT Kanpur. We used to have such a healthy relationship with our seniors. It's so easy to approach our seniors. So please, I would especially request all the seniors here it's your duty to create a culture where your juniors can easily interact with you. and through this network only you can really create a beautiful culture at IIT Kanpur. Because for example, some of the seniors, they might be working in startups or MNCs, or maybe some of you might be giving government services examination. So your juniors will learn from you. In the starting point, I told you that Celeste event is going to be a mega event in some years. It's only going to happen because the memory passes on. Your work will pass on to the juniors, whoever is the coordinator. Your work will guide your juniors who is going to become coordinators, and then again so on and so forth. So this is how you are going to build. Please pass on, please create a good culture. So now I will tell you something about what will happen after you will graduate out of college. See, college is just utopian world. The outer world is not going to be so merciful. Okay, just learn from YouTube that what should be the materials to study, or whoever wants to start any startup, we have such a good incubation system. So India is full of opportunities. Please utilize it. Please excel. And at the cost of saying, I would insist some of you to build good startups in Bihar also. We need good people, because most of you might be moving to Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, but please some of you stay in Patna. We need good people in Patna. Okay, that's why IIT Patna was built, so that you can contribute to Bihar also. And Bihar is full of opportunities. I'll tell you just one example. So Bihar is currently doing land survey of the entire land, and I know some of you might be from Bihar, and you know what is the problem of land conflict in Bihar. So we are basically surveying the entire land through GIS, Geographical Information System, and creating a map of the entire land, which land belongs to which person, the entire record, and everything will be digital. So just imagine, we need good civil engineers, okay, and there are 4 to 5 companies who are involved in it. So that companies need civil engineers, that companies need mechanical engineers, and that companies need computer engineers also. So if you have good network of all the branches, you can easily build a good startup. I don't know how much beneficial it will be, but you took a chance. And now it's you took a choice, now it's your chance. Maybe some of you might be motivated to do good things. Some of you who did not think that my branch was good, now they might be involved in their branch. They might be motivated to create things in their own branch only. So it might bring a change. Please remember, life is full of choices. At every moment you have choice. Either you can do that things or don't do. Both are choices. So please take that choice which aligns with the entire vision of your life. Please understand that only by that thing you can do anything in your life. Only by taking choices you can bring any change in your life. Thank you. Background? Engineering background. I'll tell you one thing. Here, we all are engineers here. Why is it so? Because just see how much work you are doing. You are having one of the toughest academics. You are managing that. You are involving yourself in academics also, extracurricular activities also, sports also, and then you are enjoying also. How do you manage those things? They would not be having such kind of time management experience. But we understand that how the system works. How do we manage ourselves, and how do we just comprehend the entire syllabus? कैसे manage करना है? I was not good in answer writing, okay. But I knew कि यार मुझे क्या क्या करना है आंसर राइटिंग में. मुझे यार इस तरीके से आंसर को ऐसे लिखना है, और किस तरीके से इतने बड़े सिलेबस को मैनेज करना है, किस तरीके से नोट्स को बनाना है. So that thing comes from your experience. That thing comes from your 4 years of experience. And especially engineering में भी जो अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स जो काफी इन्वॉल्व करके रखते हैं ना खुद को डिफरेंट एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स और एकेडमिक्स, वो ज्यादा एक्सेल करते हैं बाहर जाके. इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. बिकॉज एंड देयर आर सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स इवन इन आईआईटी कानपुर, वो कुछ नहीं करते थे शुरुआत से from the very first year they started involving themselves in preparing examination. And I would not criticize them, but I will just tell ki what happened because of this. You did not expose to this beautiful environment. You did not expose yourself to time management. The scheme of the Bihar government is Nal Jal. So just imagine, there is a Nal Jal structure at every ward level. So to bring potable water to almost every people, can you imagine what kind of positiveness it is bringing? Can you imagine? I mean, one of the best, not best, one of the major causes of diseases are not potable water. People are not able to access water. You might be thinking, यार water बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं है. So and it's an important learning for you. That people are not so much privileged to have access to potable water, but because of this implementation of these schemes, almost 90% of the people are having access to potable water. Just imagine what benefits it is bringing to the people, how it is impacting public health in Bihar. And you know, so I'll tell you one thing for computer science students. If you open the website of Nal Jal, from here only you can see the entire geographical location of where the Nal Jal structure is situated, how many people are benefiting from that, who is the head of that committee in the local area. You can see the entire geotag location, how much people are benefiting. So this is the importance of a startup. Some of the startup might have built the entire website. Okay, so this is how I'm bringing change, and I feel I will bring change. Whatever position the government gives me, if I could just do my work properly with all my hard work and honesty, in itself it will bring change.
Hello sir, I am Manish Kumar and I am from Civil Engineering Lubran. So I just want to ask, what is the initial point of your preparations? In which point you realize that I am prepared from this point to that point? Initial point.
Okay. So first of all, thank you. And you are from civil engineering. Okay. So I would say when I graduated from IIT Kanpur, so initially I wanted to go to research. I told you that I went for research internship in France. I really enjoyed it also. I did research in landslide modeling. So after graduating from college, there was something, because of that I shifted to examination. I have to be in India, and this is the thing I love, to interact with people and to implement things and see how ideas are getting implemented. So because of that, I started thinking about examination. So this thinking would be, I would say, the initial point. And then, see, thinking is not enough. Unless you have that courage to implement your thinking, and to implement that, again I would say, examination, I would go to syllabus and previous year question. So first of all, for engineering service examination, I bought books. I started with syllabus and previous year question. So my career was little bit complex. I started for civil service examination. Then along the midway, I thought first I would do engineering service and GATE. So I did that thing. So it was a little bit complex. But first of all, starting point would be having that thinking in mind, कि यार करना है. And then most important would be to have the courage to implement. Okay, so that would be second step, but again one of the most important steps. And again, having that discipline. That discipline, पता है क्या? What happens? We always think about motivation. कि यार मुझे motivation मिलना चाहिए पढ़ने के लिए. But I would say discipline is the most important thing. To have that discipline कि यार नहीं सुबह 6 बजे उठना है, exercise करना है, then breakfast, फिर पढ़ने का टाइम, हैविंग दैट टारगेट कि यार इतने टाइम में इतना चीज मुझे कंप्लीट कर लेना है. एंड व्हेन यू स्लीप इन द नाइट, यू हैव द करेज टू से टू योरसेल्फ कि यार जो भी मैंने अपना टारगेट लिया था आज के दिन का, आई कुड कंप्लीट इट. इट हैज इट्स ओन सेटिस्फेक्शन. So again, I would say कि you have to evaluate yourself preparation almost on a daily basis. क्योंकि यदि after a point of time you want to realize some target, you must have the courage to follow that target on a daily basis. Okay. So I think I hope I answered your question.
I am Dhanraj from Chemical Engineering branch. As you say, when you are honest, you are free. But I want to know, as a civil servant, how much pressure, how much political pressure on you, and how much family time you have.
Yeah, political pressure, yes, you have to manage almost everything. You must remember. You cannot, at least you should not try to displease anyone. You cannot possibly please everyone, but you should always try not to displease anyone. Okay, first thing. But you must be honest. I mean, to talk. So, for example, what happens that people think there are so much political pressure. But elected representatives are much more smarter than you. They understand the ground realities much more than you. Because you are always in office, they understand the people's problems. So listen to them. But you do not have to do the wrong things. If it is not as per law, because see, why do we have created this entire network of civil servants? It is only by law. The most important law of our land is constitution. Okay. Everything is derived from constitution. We have constitution, then we have laws, then we have from laws we have so many rules and regulations, and our power entirely comes from that constitution. That is the most important. Then we have laws, then rules, regulations, and then different orders of the government. Okay, so all you have to do is follow those laws. You cannot deviate from the laws. Even if you do the wrong things, you again have to follow the law. What you will do? You will just manipulate the law. That's what happens. That's how people do the wrong things. So I think if you understand the law, if you are really smart enough to read those laws and understand your powers, you will not do wrong things. You can manage political pressure. You must draw the boundary that I will not do the wrong things. Because see, my DM sir, so what happens, I am currently in training phase. So my DM, he is my mentor also, because this is what happens in training phase, that you are given a district, you are under the mentorship of your own DM. So when I see his working style, his management style, it really inspires me. That he is able to please all the MLAs and MP, but he never deviates from his principles. I'll give you just one example. That there is a minister from that district. He was calling my DM to his own house. He just simply refused. I mean, DM is such a dignified position. How can I come to any people's home? I mean, everyone is equal. You are minister, obviously, but when you are my boss, I'll listen to you, but not going to your own home. So this is how you can draw lines. So that's the saying is simple. That it's not so difficult to follow law. It's difficult to just deviate from the law. Okay, following law is not that difficult. Just you have to understand the law. You need to know the law, because what happens that we don't understand all the powers we have, because we don't know all the laws. People stop reading books. Whenever we come to civil service, we stop understanding. We stop reading all the statutes, all the laws. That's why we deviate from the path. When we are empowered with all the powers we have, there is no way we can do the wrong things. But again, this does not mean that that's what I told you, that the parameter of success should not be the position you are holding. Because in the government, almost in every position, you have so much work to do. You have so much work to do in almost every position. It's just the task is so mammoth. It's just that people start comparing with their peers and they think that यार उसको इतना अच्छा पोजीशन मिला, मुझे उतना अच्छा पोजीशन नहीं मिला. That's when they start deviating. So when you just compare yourself with कि यार कितना मैंने लोगों की लाइफ में चेंज पहुंचाया, जो भी काम मुझे मिला मैंने कितना सही तरीके से किया, there is no reason to deviate from it. Political pressure you can easily manage, but again, for that you need to have good communication skill. कि सबसे अच्छे से बातें कर सकूं. मतलब मैं दिन भर जब ऑफिस में बैठे रहता हूँ, एटलीस्ट आई लिसन टू मोर देन 100 पीपल्स प्रॉब्लम, बट you cannot just, I would say, raise your voice. You cannot be frustrated. At least you should not look frustrated. You may be from inside, but you must not look like that. Okay. So this is. Thank you very much.